think for me, at the top of my head, the main challenges usually is how to manage interest, because any funder from the north has already vested interest on why they're putting their taxpayers' money onto the project. So then, in that broad scheme where the agenda was actually set from the north, it is for us, the African researchers, to now contextualize it and be able to come up with research questions that would address our specific needs. At that point then, the agenda became collaborative in the sense that we found value in what the funders' interest was in terms of embedding that interest into our own local interest.
There you have a co-production of knowledge, of new knowledge, of experiences and also practices for the stakeholders in the field. And here you have very much integration challenges of very different actors. Yeah? And this has to be valued also by funding restrictions, by funding conditions. How do resources not only arrive at the researchers, but also to the practitioners which are part of the project.
Various interactive processes are an integral part actually of the management of the funding instrument. These processes contribute to the continuous development and adaptation. So, for example, within the process of developing calls for research proposals, participatory workshops are conducted with various stakeholders and experts from the target regions. And during these workshops, the importance really to equally integrate local knowledge besides academic knowledge into the research was repeatedly emphasized. So this reinforced the approach of the funding instrument and encouraged the BMEL, the ministry, even more to explicitly promote and support transdisciplinary research approaches.
Along the different stages of funding and managing research projects, funders can take specific measures to enable and facilitate transdisciplinary research, some of which are particularly important in a context of North-South research collaboration.
From today's workshop, I've learned a lot. I liked very much the stepwise approach to receiving proposals and then selecting applicants for funding their project. This stepwise approach involves first collecting ideas from participants and then selecting based on those ideas, bringing them together after they are selected to take them through a training together with the intended stakeholders. And that already means that you are building trust with your stakeholders. You are also bonding and you are making arrangements for an effective partnership that will make sure that the project is well implemented. I think this is an eye-opener for me. This is something that is good. I am not a donor. I do not fund projects, but I think this is something that I could suggest to the type of donors that we work with.